for this royal launch of our Medcare Royal Hospital. Please, a warm welcome to everyone. It really was our honor to have His Highness Sheikh Rashid bin Hamdan Maktoum grace this occasion for us and dedicate this hospital to the nation of UAE as well as
it's very department specific. So if I'll give you a simple example just I gave. For example, in ophthalmology, if you go to any hospital, what do? They do cataract surgeries, they do minimum posterior chamber surgeries, retina. So here what we're doing is we're completing the entire spectrum. For example, we have ophthalmology and plastic. For example, drooping of eyelids is a common issue. A lot of people has cancer of ocular oncology is a very common issue now. We have the speciality for that. We have artificial eye, which we are giving. So what we are doing is we are completing the entire services for every possible department. So any patient coming here doesn't have to go anywhere else. So we complete the entire spectrum.
So also to add on when he said about the clinical, he said what are they different? So we were over the last 2-3 years we have built a service excellence department because we feel that when a patient comes, how you make them feel is what they will remember always. So it's very important, like Alisha was mentioned before, from a concierge service and from the time a patient comes inside, how we handle the patient and make sure that his experience is what we want to enhance.
How will you make the relations between like a patient and your stakeholders?
The stakeholders.
Yes, patient, like even patient in the community, this community which community coming in this area.
So
how will you maintain the relations?
So we have a lot of activities. If you look at our marketing department, we have a lot of activities that we go into the communities to make sure that there is education things that we are looking at giving patients. And so we make sure that we go into different communities that as per the segment of Medcare. So we are catering to the premium segment. So we look at those areas and we see that there is a lot of engagement with the communities. So that's an ongoing process. So we have a 12-month calendar where we plan that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you.
Congratulations for the big day today.
Thank you so much.
Any message for people in Gulf, and this hospital is for all across the world, so any message for your big day today?
Absolutely. So we are very excited to launch our Medcare Royal Hospital. The whole idea is to raise the standard of care, raise the standard of both clinical excellence, service excellence, so that we can create a real world-class hospital with the golden standards of healthcare and raise the bar. Like His Highness Sheikh Mohammed always says, we have to keep raising the bar. So we want this to become a destination for care in the region and beyond.
What do people expect immediately? What kind of services does hospital has to offer?
So it's got all the basic specialities. We've got 30 departments that it will start with. In phase 2, which would be in the next 6 to 8 months, we would be adding all oncology diagnostics as well as transplant program in the future. And the whole idea is to do tertiary and quaternary care work here. So when we look at the disease patterns of GCC right now, you're seeing more geriatric patients. So what is the kind of care that is needed for them is what you will find here.
Okay, I read somewhere about you. Healthiness is happiness. That's what you believe.
Absolutely. So they say that a healthy person has 100 dreams,
yes,
and a sick person has only one dream. So we want this place to have people be able to pursue their 100 dreams.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.